After a wonderful day of sailing on the water with some strong winds, we arrived at Valley Bay to find that the bay was actually deeper than the charts had predicted. So after one unsuccessful anchoring, we had to weigh anchor and try again. We actually got an even better spot. You'll notice that we are the last ones to see the sun out of all the boats in this bay.
Charity volunteered to raise the anchor this morning. She may be regretting her decision at this point, but she's sticking it out. She's a true champ. So tough. Charity is so tough. Well done, Charity.
Well, I didn't get skunked. Got a 6-inch minnow at the very end. I did catch a monster coho, but I never got him in the boat. Spit the hook right at the boat. But man, I played that guy for like 10 minutes. Well worth it. It's good. Good. I'll come back tomorrow morning. Get that monster coho. Okay, so you know how yesterday I told you about that fish that I caught but got away?
Yeah.
This morning I went back.
What?
And I got him.
Bart, that's huge.
It's a monster. Monster Chinook.
That's a Chinook?
This is the king of salmon.
And
Where are we going, Charity?
we're walking through the woods from Melanie Cove to Laura Cove because it's good to get off the boat and get some exercise.
Yeah.
Also enjoy the beautiful rainforest. And it's just turning out to be a lovely little time.
And what's our protection against bears?
Well, we forgot our bear spray, so we've decided, well, Bart's decided in his brilliance that if we get attacked by a bear, he'll take some video footage yelling,
No,
"Stop,
bear.
bear.
Don't do that, bear.
I'm getting this on tape.
I'm gonna totally
Don't
report
take
you.
none of it, or YouTube will know what you have done today.
So help me, if you even think about biting me, I will scream so loud. The police that I'm trying to defund will be here in no time.
There it is, folks.
There it is. So mad right now about bears eating my wife.
So yeah, we're not really worried.
Not worried. Also, we have the single best defense against bears. Whoa, bear! We're good. We're safe for like an hour.
Yeah. You give me joy, down deep in my soul, down deep in my soul, deep in my soul. You give me joy, down deep in my soul. We're pushing off to go on a hike to Unwin Lake, leaving our little Selah for an afternoon jostle in the woods.
And that'd be the worst of it, eh? Now we're on the other side, ready to go, eh?
Well said. We're going to Sonidos!
Yeah, we going
Sonidos!
Hola, muchachas. Hola, mujeres. We
Going
going
to Sonidos! In the Malos. Sonidos!
the coast of rocks of many, of which I can see.
We've made it to the trailhead. Had to motor about 20 minutes. We found internet on our way, so we stopped for a minute. And it's pretty nice here in Tornidos.
In Tornidos Bay, you have so much fun at Tornidos Bay.
Farewell dinghy. Ties it off. There's some campsites here at Tornidos for the brave kayakers. So pretty. Still trekking. think we've almost arrived, folks, to the beautiful Unwin Lake in the woods. This has been a very successful swimming experience. Bart is, I don't know where you are. I found him. Bart and I, over the last 2 years, have been to Desolation Sounds, Castle Lake, Black Lake, and today Unwin Lake. And by far, hands down, my favorite is today's Unwin Lake experience. Bart.
I still like Castle Lake.
Really?
There's a falls.
Yeah, Castle Lake has the waterfalls, but Unwin is super warm and we got clean and
Castle
it was
Lake
a nice
also has
walk.
cliffs that you can jump in, and you can't really jump in.
But it's so warm. That's what I like.
Yeah.
So, success.
Castle Lake for the win.
Go Unwin. Team Unwin. And to Selah, we have returned. It's nice to get out, but we love our boat, right, Bart?
Indeed. Me more than you.
Me more than you.
Oh, me more.
No, me more.
Me more.